It's October 26th, I believe. Right, it's October 26th. And we got fish busting right here. Yeah, if birds working and fish busting right here. Now, like I said, we don't know what they are. We don't know if they're herring or bass or small bluefish. But what I do know is that, wow, there's some nice fish busting here. Very tough to get them to hit. There's so much bait in the water, it's ridiculous. Rainfish everywhere. Hickory shad. This looks like it's a little bit out of casting range. Water's, oh wow. Yeah, it's ridiculous the amount of bait fish that are out here right now. Yeah, can't tell what these are. I would say it's probably bass.
That dolphin's like crazy.
Yeah, you'd see them though. Well, I don't know what else to tell you. Not many guys on the beach. Guess they're waiting for the blitz. Peace.